Oh, only 28 days are left for board exams. Poverty, unemployment, child labor, इसका हल ढूंढ रहे हो? आओ बताता हूँ. Today I will discuss about 4 marker question from chapter number 17 and chapter number 21. These questions are important from chapter number 17. Question number 1. 5 government scheme for agriculture development. Question number 2. 4 main scheme to reduce unemployment. Question number 3. Manrega. Question number 4. Causes and effect of unemployment. Question number 5. Proper planning of workforce to prove reduce to unemployment. Question number 6. Roots of poverty are deeper in rural area. Give the reason. Question number 3 and question number 5. These 2 questions are very important from this year board exams, and these questions are important from chapter number 21. Question number 1. Provision for welfare of elderly people. Question number 2. Special facilities for differently able students. Question number 3. Reasons of child labor. Question number 4. Effects to prevent corruption. And question number 5. Provisions of RT. ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 4 અને ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 5 આ બે ક્વેશ્ચન ચોક્કસપણે કરી નાખજો, પૂછાશે જ. અને બીજી પણ આવી આઈએમપી જોઈએ છે ને તો ફોલો કરો આપણા પેજને.